Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. First to observe who is discovers or observes oscillatory motions. For example, two pendulum clocks of identical frequency mounted on a common walls will tend to synchronize. Synchronize means cause to occurs, mean rate. Uh, These phenomena first observed by Christians Huygens in 1665. 1665. Christians Huygens. But what is the meaning of oscillatory? Oscillatory meanings the repetitive variations with respect to times is called oscillatory motion. And motions, what is motion? We also know that the body not in rest is called motions. But here we observe oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motions? Understand the periodic motion in which there is existence of restoring force, mean a periodic motions in which there is existence of restoring force and the body move along the same path to and fro about a definite point called oscillatory motions. Understand from figures. Figure of oscillatory. For example, this is a pendulums and this is a mass m. This is a normals and this mass is rotated along normals. This is motion is called to and fro motion. This motion is called to and fro motions. Understands? This is called oscillatory motions. But another way we also defines the oscillatory motion is defining to and fro motions means oscillate this side then this side. This motion is called to and fro motion. And for motion of an object, its main position. This is a main position. This is main position. This is called oscillatory motion. Understands? That is definite point means main positions or equilibrium positions. Understand? Called oscillatory motions. And what is restoring force? Restoring force means the force is equal in magnitude to the applied force but opposite in directions, called restoring force. Restoring force also known as spring force, means this is applied force then against reverse back. This is a restoring force. And all other questions, can we consider oscillatory motions 4 hours? Means we considered oscillatory motion 4 hours. Yes, we considered oscillatory motion 4 hours only for ideal case, but in practical case this is not possible. Means the ideal condition is that the object can be in oscillatory motion forever in the absence of frictions. Means in without frictions the oscillatory motions like ideal case, but we know that the friction always exists in oscillatory motions. That is called oscillatory motions. Means but in real world this is not possible and the object has to settle into equilibriums. Means in real case the motion is not ideal, means not 4 hours. Oscillating motions not 4 hours, only in ideal case the oscillating motion 4 hours. The type of oscillatory motions. What is the type of oscillatory motions? Here we discuss two, linear oscillations and circular oscillations. What is linear oscillations? First, to understand what is linear oscillations. Linear oscillation in only in one direction. For example, horizontal axis, this is a spring and block. This is main positions and this is higher amplitude and here is negative amplitudes. The motions about toward and again back, this is called linear motions. This is called linear motion, means to and fro only in horizontal way. This is called linear motion. This is called linear motions. Here we discuss linear motions. The oscillation of mass spring system, oscillation of mass spring system, oscillation of mass spring system. This is mass and spring systems is called oscillatory motion. And other example of oscillation of fluid column in a U-tube. U-tubes mean this is a tube and fluid. They oscillate within a tube. Within a tubes. This motion is called fluid columns in U-tubes. Oscillation of string of musical instrument. We also watch many string on the movies. They use musical instrument. Okay, understand? And circular motions. What is circular motions? First, to understand what is circular motions, we considered pendulums. Okay, the motion of earth is called circular. Is called circular. Is called circular. Motion of earth is called circular. Also pendulum. Pendulum is also a example. Pendulum of simple pendulum. Simple pendulum. Simple pendulum also example of circular motions. What is simple pendulum? This is simple pendulums. And mass M's means here also rotate to and fro motions, and this is main positions. Main positions, to and fro motions, side by side main positions. This is called circular motions. Here we understand oscillation of simple pendulums and oscillation of balance wheel of a clock. Also balance wheels. We know that this is clock and times also matching, but this is the balance wheels. They also rotate this type and again this side oscillate in a main position. Main position में main position oscillate. Okay, rotation of earth around the sun is also example of circular motion. Is also example of circular motions. Understand? Any confusion?